Wave goodbye to boring mornings. Picture this, your beloved coffee, rich and aromatic, swirling together with radiant golden bananas, a scoop of decadent creamy protein powder, and a splash of smooth, silky almond milk merging into a luscious, velvety concoction. It's more than just a smoothie. It's like a warm hug captured in a glass. Are you ready for an exhilarating treat? Let's create a mocha smoothie. Visualize deep, dark cocoa swirling with a hint of sweet vanilla and a dash of fragrant cinnamon. The flavors explode on your taste buds, providing that essential energy boost. These smoothies aren't just tasty, they're the perfect way to spark your day. They're ideal for shaking off morning sluggishness or recharging after an intense workout. And the best part? They're super easy to make. Just toss everything into your blender, hit the button, and watch the magic unfold. So what are you waiting for? Grab your blender and dive into these energizing coffee smoothies. They'll transform your mornings in a heartbeat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delightful recipes. Let's blend our way to a thrilling day. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 coffee lover.